How do you cook frozen French fries in an air fryer? Maybe you're looking up cooking times and temperatures. Come with me. This is going to be a quick video. I'm going to make some frozen French fries for me and the family, but mostly me. Now, where did I put them? Right, so these are regular store-bought. These are actually Aunt Bessie's frozen French fries, and it's a 700-gram bag. I'm putting in half a bag, which is about 350 grams. I'll put that in ounces and pounds on screen now. I've done something wrong. I think we need to preheat it. This is a Ninja Foodi Dualzone Air Fryer. Ninja say in the instructions that you don't need to preheat the air fryer, but I think for chips, we don't want to warm them up. We want them to get in hot and get out. So I'm going to preheat this first. I'm going to go max crisp, and I'll just put it on for, I don't know, a minute. So now the basket is nice and warm. We'll throw the, we'll throw the fries in. And I am going to set this to max crisp. Now again, in the instructions, it's really weird because it says you can't adjust the temperature, but on my FOODI Max, you can. Now we want it to be as hot as possible, but I'll probably go for 210 degrees Celsius. That's 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm gonna try and do it for 11 minutes. I'll put the actual time on screen now, but I'm gonna do 11 minutes and then I'll check how we're doing. So I'll hit start. It is now about halfway through the process, so we're gonna take it out, give it a shake. They're looking good. And put them straight back in. Fingers crossed, got a good feeling about this. 3, 2, 1, here we go. Wow, these are looking absolutely delicious. Perfect. These French fries look great. But let's land them on the plate. I think these chips are looking absolutely perfect. Steaming, fresh, and they're crisp without being burnt. So there are a couple in here that don't look great, but that's not because of the air fryer. They're just dodgy fries. But the big test, the big taste test, I hate eating on camera, but here we go. Just perfect. Crisp on the outside and nice and light and fluffy on the middle. I am calling these French fries a Dad Delivers success. If this video is helping, thank you for hitting the thumbs up or the subscribe button. It really helps me to keep these going. But right here are loads more ideas for air fryer snacks.
Can you please help my daddy get 10,000 subscribers? Just click in his face. Thanks, bye. Alright, this is gonna be the proper one, bye.